awards when she was young.
I just keep them here, and then there's some in the case up there.
Then in 1997, she got her first tattoo. It was then she got a vision of how she could use her talent in art.
And I tried everything, but then when I got tattooed, I was like, that's it.
4 years ago, she opened this shop, Chala's Tattoo Studio in Boise on Latah.
I love it. This shop is great.
This past weekend, artists from her shop went to Salt Lake City for a tattoo convention to compete with other artists from around the world. There were 8 categories. Her shop won 4 of them.
So yeah, we did pretty good.
She won 3.
That's the one that won Best Back Piece. This is the one that won Best Color.
And Andrew Pontius won the 4th.
I love art. This is who I am. And so to be able to do this and make a comfortable living at it is everything I could ever hope for.
Both Pontius and Nat love and specialize in traditional Japanese and traditional American art.
The canvas may be a little bit different, but it's still art.
Like any industry, awards are the pinnacle of the profession.
We're being recognized for good work, for something that we put obviously a lot of pride and time into.
So these awards turn into recognition, which turns into demand.
I'm booked out about 2 years right now.
While this job is about making a living, it's more about doing what you love for a living.
To win an award for your piece is like the perfect ending to a story, I think, as far as a tattoo goes.
And they say that every tattoo has its own story. Nut says this is the first time she's ever won 3 awards at one convention. She's done 2 before, but she says winning 3 for any artist is pretty rare. Her biggest problem now is figuring out where to hang those plaques next to all of her trophies. You're right, Scott.